Welcome back to our channel. Today we are thrilled to share some breathtaking living room decor ideas that will transform your space into a luxurious and inviting heaven. Your living room is the heart of your home, and with these gorgeous ideas you will create a heaven that reflects your style and personality. Whether you prefer modern or minimalist or classic elegance or bohemian charm, we have got something for everyone. So let's dive right in. Simplicity is the key in modern minimalist living room. Embrace clean lines, neutral colors, and uncluttered spaces. Opt for a sleek and comfortable sectional sofa in a muted tone, accompanied by a low profile coffee table. Add pops of color with throw pillows and statement rug to create a visual interest without overwhelming the space. Hang some contemporary work or framed photographs to infuse personality in the room. Remember, less is more. For those who adore timeless sophistication, a classical, elegant living room is the way to go. Choose a plush, tufted sofa in a rich neutral hue like beige or charcoal. Accentuate the sitting area with ornate side table and a magnificent chandelier as the focal point. Incorporate luxurious fabrics such as velvet or silk for drapes or curtains. Don't forget to add a touch of greenery with fresh flowers or potted plants to breathe life into the room. If you prefer a bohemian inspired living room, embrace the eclectic mix of patterns, textures, and colors. A comfortable and spacious floor sitting arrangement with an array of throw pillows and soft blankets create a relaxed vibe. Incorporate vintage or global inspired furniture pieces such as Moroccan style coffee table or a hand woven rattan chair. Hang tapestries or macrame wall hangings to add visual interest and warmth to the room. Bring the calming essence of the beach into your living room with coastal themed decor. Opt for a light and airy color palette with shades of blue, white, and sandy beige. Choose slip covered furniture for a laid back and casual feel. Accessorize with nautical elements like seashells, driftwood, and beach themed artwork. Consider large windows or sheer curtains to allow natural light to flood in the space, enhancing the coastal ambience. For a warm and a cozy living room, go for a rustic decor style. Expose natural materials like wood, stone, and distressed metals. Choose a comfortable and inviting leather or fabric sofa with earth tone throw pillows. Enhance the rustic vibe with a reclaimed coffee table or vintage trunks as storage solution. Complete the look with soft ambient lighting through rustic chandeliers or pendant lights. There you have it. 5 gorgeous living room decor ideas to inspire you to create a space that reflects your personal style and creates a warm and inviting atmosphere for you, your family, and your guests. Remember, the key to a stunning living room is to strike a balance between aesthetics and functionality. Let your creativity flow and don't afraid to mix and match the elements to curate a space that speaks to you. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration.